Google Sheets allows you to email a copy of your spreadsheet as an attachment. The use case for this option is when you need to collaborate with someone who doesn't use Google Spreadsheets and prefer to receive the document in a different format such as PDF or Excel. To do that, we are going to open our spreadsheet. Then we're going to go all the way up to File, Email as Attachment. So first, you're going to select the format, Attach As, in this case, let's say PDF. 2, this is the email address of the person you are sending this to. So let's say I'm sending this to allaboutSpreadsheets@gmail.com. Subject, you can change it. We're just gonna call it Baby Growth Chart. And message, please see file attached. You can send a copy to yourself, and then you send it.